Hello guys, I'm Levi Davis. Today I'll be taking off this motor off of a drop hammer, and I'll be showing you how to switch the rotation on it. So you'll start by taking these 3 bolts off. And you'll take these 4 bolts off the top. Take this off. You have to take these 2 springs out in here. Make sure these 2 springs in here don't fall out when you're going to put this back on. You'll also have 2 pins in here that you have to put on top of the springs. The instructions say to make a mark on the largest pocket right here, so that's what I've done. And now we are going to go put our valve plate back on with the seal down. Make sure the seal's on the bottom. So when we took this valve off, it was 1 tooth clockwise, and now we need to go 1 tooth counterclockwise to switch our rotation to the right way. So now we'll put our dowel pins back into our springs. So now we'll align our grooves on this balance ring with our dowel pins. Should feel a little bit of a spring action. And now we'll go into reinstalling this. So I'm just going to use this tool here to hold this in place while I flip it onto the motor housing. Then we'll put our bolts back in the top here. Then we'll put our housing back on the motor here. So now that that's back done, we'll go reinstall this back on our machine.